Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this Violent Turbo fan. Thanks guys for sending this. This is used for either for fun or for a kid's toy. It would blow off debris, clean out keyboards, a lot of different things that you might typically use compressed air for. This actually does it in a nice compact version that comes nicely packaged in this box. It does have the main unit here, as well as the USB to USB-C cord for charging it up, and a nice little hand strap so that you can strap that on there, as well as two different adjustable nozzles that you can attach onto the end of this. This feels very nice in your hands. It does have a nice rubberized grip here. I like that, and it does have a very good feel to it. You've got your power button on the back side of it there to turn it on, and you charge this from the bottom. So it does have your there. I'll give it a turn on here. So it shows your battery indicator on the bottom. It's got a full battery, and then on the back side you do have several different power modes that you can tune it down or tune it up. Let's go ahead and put it on the high setting here. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you these attachments. It comes with two different nozzle attachments that you snap in place if you want to kind of help funnel some of the air down, and it's got a smaller adapter as well to even funnel even further if you're going to be doing it for like keyboards and things like that. If you had some dust or something on your car, very powerful fan. I'll show you this here real quick. I mean, that cleared that off good enough. You could eat off of it right there. So this thing does a really good job. Very powerful wind that comes out of this thing. It says 200 G's it throws out of the end of this thing, according to the box, and 130,000 RPM brushless motor. So that should work for a long time as far as the length of the time for use. 3,000 milliamp hour battery should last a while as far as usage, but you've always got that convenient battery indicator on the bottom if you ever did decide. I'm going to stick around out here and have some fun.